this palm one. Oh my god! Oh shit!
Oh shit!
I have this on video. We need to call 911 right now.
Oh.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't be quiet.
Chapter 3.11. From the comms room, Holston watched the last shuttle depart for the moon base, carrying its oblivious human cargo.
Jesus Christ, right? I'm sorry, Gaga.
That guy was fault.
Okay, through the red light, right?
Yeah, right through the red light.
Okay. Don't.
Блять! Ох ты, сука! Ебать. Ебать! А вот не хрен высовываться. Там ребенок пострадавший.
Yeah, but that's the thing about you. Like, you want it one way no matter what I say.
Ooh, we got that on video. Oh, he's running.
Going first. Probably guess me.
Yeah.
And then
Part does not. Oh, stop! Fuck.
did I hit right away?
Yes, he ran right through the stop sign.
Recount of the events he had been subjected to. She told him she was very sorry he had been through and vowed to him that they would find Nicholas's captors and work to free the other children who had been abducted.
Keep left at the fork to continue on exit 14. isolating the gene for Huntington's disease was huge. On the scientific front, it allowed researchers to figure out how this thing would produce.
Oh my God.
They were trying to come up with potential therapies. And from the patients,
Hey Siri, call
it
911.
held answers. Because identifying this gene meant you need to be tested for the disease. It's not as simple as that, of course. Because with this new ability to test came a bag of
and the Canadian COVID-19 Immunization Task Force. So what they're doing is they're mailing out thousands of these kits to people across the country, provinces and territories. And the goal here is to learn more about the virus, learn how it's contracted.
The speeding black car didn't have working headlights. Without a dash...
Jesus Christ, right? I'm sorry, Gaga.
That guy was fault.
Okay, through the red light, right?
Yeah, right through the red light.
Okay. Don't.
Will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call,